The Pathfinder Volume 57, The Role of Academic Institutions in Early Drug Development, CMC Opportunities and Challenges.
In this audiocast, let's delve into how academic institutions are poised to revolutionize the early stages of CMC drug development in the dynamic pharmaceutical landscape. This blog article dives into the exciting opportunities and formidable challenges that lie ahead when academic powerhouses join forces with pharmaceutical giants. With their research capabilities and scientific prowess, academic institutions possess the potential to optimize drug manufacturing processes, ensure regulatory compliance, and deliver life-saving drugs to patients worldwide. By forging strong partnerships between academia and industry, we can witness an unprecedented transformation in the drug development landscape. Don't miss this thought-provoking audiocast covering how academic institutions can become invaluable players in early-phase CMC drug development. Discover the actionable steps and game-changing strategies that will shape the future of pharmaceutical research, ultimately benefiting patients around the globe.
The world of pharmaceutical drug development is a complex and intricate process that requires the collaboration of various stakeholders. Among the many critical components of this process, the chemistry, manufacturing, and control stage plays a pivotal role in ensuring the final drug product's quality, safety, and effectiveness. While pharmaceutical companies traditionally lead CMC efforts, academic institutions possess a wealth of knowledge and expertise that can significantly contribute to this crucial stage of drug development, especially if the drug comes out of their labs. This article delves into the opportunities and challenges academic institutions face in assisting pharmaceutical companies with CMC drug development. We explore how academic institutions can leverage their research capabilities, scientific expertise, and innovative approaches to optimize drug manufacturing processes, enhance regulatory compliance, and ultimately facilitate the delivery of safe and efficacious drugs to patients worldwide. Join us as we uncover the untapped potential of academic institutions in CMC drug development, shedding light on the opportunities and obstacles that must be overcome. By forging strong partnerships between academia and industry, we can revolutionize the drug development landscape, accelerating the translation of scientific discoveries into life-saving medications. The process of bringing a new drug to market is a complex and multifaceted endeavor that requires the collaboration of various stakeholders. The CMC process is a critical aspect of drug development. Academic institutions, with their expertise in research and innovation, have the potential to play a significant role in assisting pharmaceutical companies in early CMC drug development. Research and development collaboration. Academic institutions are hubs of scientific research and can contribute to drug development through their chemistry, biology, and pharmaceutical sciences expertise. Collaborative partnerships between academia and pharmaceutical companies can accelerate the discovery and development of novel drug candidates. Academic researchers can bring fresh perspectives, innovative ideas, and access to cutting-edge technologies to enhance the CMC process. Process optimization and scale-up. Academic institutions can assist in optimizing drug manufacturing processes and scaling them up for commercial production. By leveraging their expertise in chemical engineering, process chemistry, and formulation sciences, academic researchers can help pharmaceutical companies improve manufacturing processes' efficiency, robustness, and cost-effectiveness. This can lead to streamlined production, reduced manufacturing costs, and increased accessibility of life-saving drugs. Regulatory support. Navigating the regulatory landscape is crucial to drug development. Academic institutions can support pharmaceutical companies by providing regulatory affairs and compliance expertise. Collaborative efforts can ensure that the drug development process adheres to the necessary guidelines and regulations, expediting the approval process and reducing time to market. Funding constraints. Academic institutions often face funding constraints, making allocating sufficient resources for drug development projects challenging. Lack of funding can limit the scope and scale of research activities, equipment acquisition, and the recruitment of specialized personnel. This challenge requires increased collaboration between academia, government funding agencies, and private industry to secure the necessary resources. Intellectual property issues. Protecting intellectual property rights is a significant concern in academic industry collaborations. Pharmaceutical companies invest significant resources in drug development, and protecting their IP is crucial for commercial success. Balancing the need for openness and collaboration with the protection of IP rights requires careful negotiation. and the establishment of clear agreements between academic institutions and industry partners. Bridging the gap between academia and industry, academic research and industrial drug development often have different priorities, timelines, and approaches. Bridging the gap between academia and industry requires effective communication, understanding, and alignment of objectives. Collaborative efforts should involve regular and transparent communication channels to ensure that academic research aligns with the practical requirements of the pharmaceutical industry. Collaboration between academic institutions and pharmaceutical companies in CMC drug development holds immense potential. Academic institutions can contribute valuable research and expertise to enhance the efficiency, safety, and accessibility of life-saving drugs. However, overcoming challenges such as funding constraints, IP issues, and aligning academic and industrial priorities is crucial for successful collaboration. By addressing these challenges, academic institutions and pharmaceutical companies can forge partnerships that drive innovation, accelerate drug development, and ultimately benefit patients worldwide. Regarding CMC drug development, academic institutions can adopt several strategies to maximize their effectiveness and contribution to the process. Here are some suggestions. Establish collaborative partnerships. Academic institutions should actively seek collaborations with pharmaceutical companies and other industry stakeholders involved in drug development. By forming partnerships, academic researchers can gain access to real-world challenges, resources, and industry expertise. These collaborations can be joint research projects, technology transfer agreements, or even establishing dedicated research centers focused on CMC drug development. Develop specialized expertise. Academic institutions should invest in building specialized expertise in CMC drug development. This can involve recruiting faculty members with industry experience or providing training and professional development opportunities for existing faculty members. Establishing interdisciplinary teams that combine expertise in chemistry, pharmaceutical sciences, engineering, and regulatory affairs can enhance the institution's capability to address CMC challenges effectively. Secure funding and resources. Academic institutions should actively pursue funding opportunities to support their CMC drug development initiatives. This can involve seeking government grants, forming partnerships with private industry sponsors, or exploring philanthropic funding options. Additionally, institutions can invest in state-of-the-art infrastructure, laboratories, and equipment to facilitate cutting-edge research and development activities. Foster industry-academia collaboration culture. Academic institutions should cultivate a culture encouraging collaboration and knowledge exchange between academia and industry. This can be achieved by organizing joint seminars, conferences, and workshops that bring together researchers, industry professionals, and regulatory experts. Encouraging faculty members to engage in consulting or collaborative projects with industry partners can also foster a culture of collaboration and real-world problem-solving. Emphasize regulatory compliance. Academic institutions should prioritize training and education in regulatory affairs and compliance as an integral part of CMC drug development. Providing courses, workshops, or certification programs on regulatory requirements can equip researchers with the necessary knowledge and skills to navigate the complex regulatory landscape. Collaboration with regulatory agencies can also provide valuable insights into compliance expectations and facilitate smoother drug approval processes. Leverage technology and data analytics. Academic institutions should embrace emerging technologies and data analytics tools to enhance CMC drug development. Automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning can assist in process optimization, predictive modeling, and risk assessment. Integrating these technologies into research and development activities can streamline the CMC process, improve data analysis, and facilitate data-driven decision-making. Encourage entrepreneurship and technology transfer. Academic institutions should actively promote entrepreneurship and technology transfer to facilitate the translation of research findings into real-world applications. Establishing mechanisms for intellectual property protection, licensing agreements, and spin-off companies can ensure that innovative discoveries in CMC drug development reach the market effectively. By implementing these strategies, academic institutions can position themselves as valuable contributors to CMC drug development. Collaboration, expertise development, resource allocation, and a strong emphasis on regulatory compliance are key elements to maximize the impact of academic institutions in this critical aspect of the drug development process. A good regulatory CMC strategy early in the drug development process can provide significant value to academic institutions. The value chain for academic institutions in this context can be understood as follows. Enhanced research planning. By integrating a regulatory CMC strategy from the outset, academic institutions can align their research activities with regulatory requirements. This allows researchers to focus on study areas that are more likely to succeed in meeting regulatory standards. It also helps identify potential challenges or gaps in the CMC aspects of the drug development process, allowing for early mitigation strategies. Increased chances of success. A strong regulatory CMC strategy improves the chances of success in drug development. By considering regulatory requirements and guidelines early on, academic institutions can design experiments, studies, and formulation development activities that meet the necessary quality standards and expectations. This reduces the risk of costly setbacks or delays during later stages of development and increases the probability of regulatory approval. Streamlined development process. Incorporating a regulatory CMC strategy from the beginning enables academic institutions to establish a structured and efficient drug development process. It ensures that the necessary data and documentation are generated promptly to support regulatory submissions. This streamlines the development process, saving time, resources, and effort. Collaboration with regulatory agencies. A well-defined regulatory CMC strategy positions academic institutions as proactive collaborators with regulatory agencies. Engaging in early discussions with regulatory authorities allows institutions to seek guidance, clarify expectations, and address any concerns or questions. This collaboration facilitates a smoother regulatory review process, expedites approvals, and builds a positive working relationship with regulatory agencies. Competitive advantage and attracting industry partners. Academic institutions incorporating a robust regulatory CMC strategy early on can differentiate themselves from their peers. This can attract industry partners who value institutions that prioritize regulatory compliance and have a higher likelihood of successful drug development. Such partnerships can bring additional funding, resources, and industry expertise, enhancing the institution's research capabilities and reputation. Knowledge and skill development. Focusing on regulatory CMC strategy early on allows academic institutions to develop expertise in this critical area. Faculty members, researchers, and students gain valuable knowledge and skills in regulatory affairs, quality assurance, compliance, and documentation requirements. This knowledge can be leveraged in future research projects and collaborations, contributing to the institution's long-term capabilities and competitiveness. Positive impact on society. Ultimately, a solid regulatory CMC strategy early in drug development contributes to the development of safe, effective, and high-quality drugs. Academic institutions play a crucial role in advancing scientific knowledge and innovation. By incorporating a robust regulatory CMC strategy, they ensure that their research efforts result in products that meet the necessary regulatory standards, benefiting patients and society. In summary, incorporating an excellent regulatory CMC strategy provides academic institutions several advantages, including improved research planning, increased chances of success, streamlined development processes, collaboration with regulatory agencies, competitive advantage, knowledge and skill development, and positive societal impact. By considering regulatory requirements from the outset, academic institutions can position themselves as leaders in CMC drug development and make significant contributions to the advancement of healthcare.
Thank you for listening to this audiocast. Are you an emerging biotech or established pharmaceutical company struggling to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of drug regulations? Look no further than Incrisi. We are the leading consulting group helping organizations comply with drug regulations through a comprehensive drug development model incorporating augmented intelligence and data analytics. Our industry experts can guide you through the complex world of compliance, making it more manageable than ever. With our Reimagining Regulatory Pathways services, we can help you design and implement best practices to streamline your operations and ensure you stay in line with current legislation. Our range of services covers regulatory drug development's technical and strategic aspects. Let us help you develop an overall strategy that accounts for all potential risks while still being able to meet your objectives. Visit our website at www.enkrisi.com to learn more and get started on the path to regulatory compliance success.